2006. In Spanish Town, Jamaica, a 7-year-old little boy named Nicholas Reed and 2 of his friends who were around the same age went to a river to swim unbeknownst to their parents. While they were swimming at the river, one of the little boys drowned. Nicholas and the other boy left the drowned boy at the river and said nothing to their parents about the incident. The drowned boy's body was eventually found and the truth eventually came out. Nicholas and the other little boy were blamed by the victim's family. 2010. In 2010, CVM TV reports a haunting of an 11-year-old boy in Spanish Town, Jamaica, on Martin Street. The little boy was reportedly being plagued by the ghost of his friend who drowned 4 years before. The little boy who was being haunted was Nicholas Reed. The demon who was haunting him took the form of the little boy who passed away at the river. It is alleged that the little boys were blamed by the deceased boy's family for his untimely demise and set the demon on Nicholas. 2016.
Follow Jamaican True Story.
10 years after the little boy passed away at the river, Nicholas met his demise at around 17 years old. He had been stabbed by a friend over a simple misunderstanding where threats were made on both sides. Nicholas' schoolmates alleged that he had his fair share of troubles throughout his life. Did the curse catch up to him? The other boy also passed away. It is not known how. Here's the original footage of the CVM interview with Nicholas and his family.
The footage brought to us as evidence of the tales. Now we must warn that some of the footage may be troubling to some viewers.
This 11-year-old boy claims he is being haunted by a ghost. For the past week, word of the so-called Duppy has caused alarm on Martin Street in Spanish Town. The family says they've tried praying for the boy and taking him to church, but the ghost would only follow them inside, causing havoc, pulling the boy and throwing objects wherever he goes. Our news team was in the neighborhood Wednesday night to witness some of the events that have residents convinced of an otherworldly presence. Watch closely and judge for yourself.
Right now.
He's touching you now?
Yeah.
Still touching you?
Yeah.
They say that's how it's been for the past several days. The boy says the ghost is actually a friend who died 4 years ago. He claims the friend suddenly started appearing to him wearing a white top, black pants and a black watch. It's been nothing but chaos for the family and neighbors.
Him licking him down, him drawing him flinging the figurine, him fling the slippers, he lick me in my back, he lick me in my temple with it like the little stone. Him just a fling and draw him out of the bed, draw him in a corner, draw him everywhere and go.
I go around there and I feel this whole pa eat and thing. So like I couldn't breathe and I end up that him run out and me there and I say, yo, me not see nothing. So I end up I come out now and when I turn my back, one lick me get in my back with a figurine.
Watch again as our news crew filmed the second incident similar to the accounts we were given. This time, the boy claims he sees the ghost standing near the wall and goes over to stand next to it.
Touch you? Tell me when I touch you. Am I touch you? Am I touch your foot? Yeah! In the roll it. Yeah, walk it.
So, is the Martin Street Duppy real, or are the events the expert acting of a mischievous child? Kalila Enriquez, CVM News.
Kalila Enriquez has a follow-up.
Hit me with a stone, come on. Hit me with a
For several minutes Friday morning, Bishop Rohan Edwards challenged what he believed was an evil spirit to show his presence. Although family members claim the ghost had been throwing objects, there was no evidence of that before the bishop. But it wasn't long before whatever force was responsible responded to the challenge.
Try to take him away, let me see. Oh, you're afraid, you're a coward. You're not doing nothing. All right. Oh.
But Bishop Edwards wanted to be doubly sure.
You tried it once, I wanted to do it again. So we can know how.
Let him.
Wait, hang on. Hang on.
Tamika.
Hang on. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It was evidence
Leave him
enough
alone.
for the bishop that a
Leave him
spirit
alone.
was
Leave
indeed
him
intent
alone.
on
Leave him
harming
alone.
the child.
Leave him
Watch as it
alone.
appears the
I
boy
said leave him
tries to
alone.
beat the ghost off him. The entire episode left him traumatized as he sought comfort in his grandmother's lap. With that, Bishop Edwards set about his task, first sanctifying the grounds with olive oil and then blessing the boy.
No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Again?
Right? No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Every tongue rise against in judgment. I bind it, I condemn it. Don't resist it, son. Don't resist it. Every tongue that rises against in judgment, I take authority. Roll up responsible for me. Roll up responsible. I speak the authority in the name of Jesus. I speak the authority of the name of Jesus.
He left with advice for the boy to call the name of Jesus if he feels the spirit bothering him. Although the bishop is confident this ordeal is over. After the blessing, the boy told our news team that he still sees the apparition, although it doesn't bother him anymore. Before that, he says he had almost become accustomed to the troubles.
Yes, afraid of him, but no when him trouble me, I just feel like to laugh.
The family now hopes this will end a months-long ordeal that has followed them through several parishes.
Everywhere I carry him is the same thing. I carry him to Montego Bay, it's the same thing. I dry him on the bed, I have to lift up the bed to take him from under the bed. I carry him to Portmore is the same thing. I carry him to a friend's house is the same thing. Be a stone, be a knife and cutlass, flinging after him.
It's hoped things can now return to normal. Khalila Enriquez, CBS.
Thanks for watching.